Almost again. There you go. Car was struggling for a minute there. Well, like I said, it ain't been started in a while. It's just been sitting here. Battery been unplugged the whole time. So yeah, finna get ready to pull it out. But move on up here. This is the dash we just installed. If y'all don't remember, look at that. Look at that beautiful color, bro. Y'all know I haven't glued it down yet. I will though, because like I said, I need to get some clamps first so I can clamp it down so it'll be super tight to the original dash. Installed the speakers myself with the speaker grill covers. And then I need to get that wood. So I need to vacuum in here. That's what I need. But headliner, y'all know we added a third brake light right there because mine, it was missing here. It was never one here, y'all, you know what I'm saying? So when I bought this car, it was never one here, I should say. When I bought this one, it didn't have a corner light. So I had to custom make this corner light. I had to buy the part, I had to buy this trim, I had to buy the light part, I had to buy the bracket to hold it. And then I had to cut it out and put it on, you know what I'm saying? And this is what the car looks like in one frame with the 26-inch wheels. We tuck it in the back. What's up guys, it's your boy Deuce back with another video, and y'all see the video, the title and everything. So this was gonna be like one last little update of everything I've done before the motor swap happens, you know what I'm saying? So I'm excited to make this little video because it's a lot we done, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot we done just in this past, I say past like month and a half, 2 months, you know. It's a lot we done with this car specifically. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know we done recorded a lot on the Cutlass too, but this video is dedicated to this car, you know what I'm saying? And then the next video, I'm gonna do my last little full drive, because I'm gonna drive this car all day today before I bring it back here, drop it off, and then we drop it off on the motor swap, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna drive this car all day, which is only a couple more hours of daylight, you know what I'm saying? So I might just keep it all night and then just bring it back tomorrow, you feel what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I just wanted to do like a quick little walk around of the car inside and out, because y'all know we done a lot on this interior, like upgrading and stuff, and then we done some stuff on the outside. So like I said, I don't want to get into it until I get the car pulled out. So first of all, I gotta hook my battery back up, then pull the car out in the sunlight, then we'll be able to go through everything, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know we done done a lot to this car, you feel me? So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. And yeah, man, like I said, I gotta pull the car up, so I gotta hook the battery up first and all that stuff, start it up, and I'm gonna pull the car out in the sun. So I'll catch y'all in a second. All right, y'all, so this car have not been started up in probably over a month, to be honest. So let's try and see what we can get while I get ready. Come on, come on. Ah, it died out. Oh, almost. There it go. Oh, almost again. There you go. Car was struggling for a minute there. Well, like I said, it ain't been started in a while. It's just been sitting here. Battery been unplugged the whole time. So yeah, finna get ready to pull it out. I still got over half a tank of gas in here, and y'all know I changed the gas. I don't put the 87 unleaded anymore, so changed the gas in here. I still got half a tank of gas in here. But yeah, like I said, I'm finna pull the car out, then we gonna do, like I said, a walk around, interior, exterior, of everything we done. And y'all know it ain't really much left. So that motor swap is coming. So like I said, I want to drive it this whole day, and then so that way I know like the different feels with this motor and the built motor that's gonna go in here. So y'all stay tuned, and I'll catch y'all once I get the car pulled up. All right, y'all, so I want to go ahead and start on the interior of the car. Y'all know we went ahead and made a custom console. It ain't the best. I'm definitely gonna remake it, but for now, man, you know what I'm saying, I'm just gonna rock out with it, you know. I done used my time and my hard work and effort and everything I put into it, so I'm gonna go ahead and just use it for now, you know what I'm saying? But I can always remake another one. These come out, the cup holders come out, the EQ come out, so I can always make another one. But move on up here. This is the dash we just installed. If y'all don't remember, look at that. Look at that beautiful color, bro. Y'all know I haven't glued it down yet. I will though, because like I said, I need to get some clamps first so I can clamp it down so it'll be super tight to the original dash. But yeah, man, this is the dash so far. That's what it's looking like. And then y'all know we did the headliner. I installed a TV, but the TV's not hooked up. I only hooked up the light portion, so you know what I'm saying? The light portion, the only thing hooked up, but it looks good, you feel me? Until I decide to put a sunroof in here, then I have to put a different light bar right there for the middle. But I definitely want to put a sunroof in here. But I gotta go to the junkyard, see if I can find one first. Y'all know, and then we got the bench seat, even though I hate this bench seat because it don't recline. And then manual windows. I love the manual window look because it's an old school feel. Redid the steering wheel, put a different one in here. I love this billet steering wheel. And then on the back, you know, I got the finger holder things. And then I can change this out as well, this black piece. I can make it blue, which is I'm gonna be looking into trying to find one. It just come out with a few screws like those. And then y'all know we changed the gear shifter as well to a billet one, which looks awesome, bro. It matches the steering wheel perfectly. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know we put a radio in here, we got music in here. Let's go ahead and move on to the rear seat. Oh, I gotta shut the door because I don't want my battery to drain. But yeah, man, y'all know we put the scars in the rear deck, and my rear deck looks so much better like this. Instead of having an overlay on top that was poking over the seat, this looks way better. You know what I'm saying? It fits in there flush. It's perfect. It's two pieces, but it looks really good. And y'all know I wrapped it myself, installed the speakers myself with the speaker grill covers. And then I need to get that wood and stuff. I need to vacuum in here. That's what I need. But headliner, y'all know we added a third brake light right there because mine, it was missing here. It was never one here, y'all, you know what I'm saying? So when I bought this car, it was never one here, I should say. It was probably one from factory, but not when I bought the car. But yeah, so we went ahead and added this third brake light right here. And yeah, man, that really pretty much concludes the interior of the car, you know what I'm saying? My TV, and y'all know my TV go back up. I usually just have it up so I can see out my rear view window. But yeah, man, we got that done, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about everything we done to the interior. And y'all know we done put the new weather stripping on the inside and outside, and I will show y'all the outside in a second. That's the inside though. And then we also just finished changing this window regulator. If y'all haven't checked that out, check that video out, go check it out. As y'all see, the window does roll down again, which is perfect, bro. I love it, bro. I'm telling y'all, I'm loving it. And I'm so excited, bro, to just be driving my car again. I'm so excited to get that built motor put in. But yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think, how y'all think about the rear deck. Y'all know we did that as well during this window regulation hiatus and project and stuff, you feel what I'm saying? My window, you feel me? All of them roll down very easily. It is getting hot in here, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all can tell, but yeah, y'all see I'm starting to sweat. So I'll catch y'all in 1 second again. We're gonna go through the walkthrough of the outside of the car. And it ain't really much left to do in here besides this door panel. This door panel, when I bought this car, it didn't have a door panel on here. And this was the only one me and my dad had. So I just had to throw it on there, and I can't find one that's like this for my car, you know what I'm saying? I don't even care if it's a automatic window. I can cut the hole for the manual window roll down. I just need it to match this, you know what I'm saying? Or at least just blue, you feel me? So yeah, man, I gotta try to find one. I've been looking, I literally look just about once or twice, a few times a week, you feel me? And nothing never pop up on eBay or no aftermarket. I even check Facebook. Don't nobody be parting out no car with the blue interior. I be seeing them part out with the burgundy interior or the tan interior, but never with this blue. And I'm finna get ready to order some floor mats to put back here, some blue ones. So I'm gonna be getting that as well. But like I said, ain't much left to do with the interior besides that door panel. And I want to change these seats, but if I can't, then I'm just not gonna worry about it, you know what I'm saying? I just leave it alone. So I'll catch y'all in a second. We're gonna go through the tour of the outside of everything we've done recently, and then everything we've done all together, you know what I'm saying? So catch y'all in a second. All right, y'all, so starting off under the hood, if y'all look, bro, y'all can see a lot of stuff was painted under here. So it made it look 1,000 times better just under this hood. Just them small little things being painted, you know what I'm saying? Now I still need to paint that, which I think is my AC compressor, I'm pretty sure. So I still need to paint that, but I also want to get my AC hooked up, which I need. It's supposed to be right here, and I don't have it. Yeah, but I done been told it's a lot you gotta do to try to get that back working. So, but I do want AC in this car, so I definitely want to get that done as well. You feel me? But as y'all can see, the reservoir done, the coolant reservoir, the fan shroud, and that reservoir was also painted. Now, I talked to the dude that's supposed to do the motor swap, and he said that the carburetor that's on that built motor was most likely built with that motor, you know what I'm saying? So my carburetor probably won't swap over. I'm definitely swapping my headers over, you know what I'm saying? So my headers are definitely going. There are some BBK headers, and this will really make this car sound that loud. And I got a Flowmaster Super 44 on for the muffler, and then I got some big tips. I think they 5-inch, and I don't know how long they are though, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we done a lot with this motor. New alternator, not carburetor, new radiator, brand new carb, and a few things with the transmission. But this transmission not that good to me, you know what I'm saying? It's a 3-speed transmission under here, and I definitely want a different transmission. But whenever we do the motor swap, I will not be getting rid of this motor. And then y'all know we also put the gold badges, because I'm trying to do like a gold pearl with the paint job whenever I get it painted. And I am finna give me a new grill. They finally got something back in stock, so I'm gonna give me a new one so it'll match, you feel me, the new look of my headlight housing. And then we got blue halos. And then y'all know when I bought this fender, it came with a corner light, which is what I was looking for and I was hoping. So I got a corner light on this one. But this fender, when I bought this one, it didn't have a corner light. So I had to custom make this corner light. I had to buy the part, I had to buy this trim, I had to buy the light part, I had to buy the bracket to hold it. And then I had to cut it out and put it on, you know what I'm saying? And then y'all know we got all these extension pieces here. So yeah, like I said, man, we custom made this corner light myself, you feel me? Got the extension pieces. This car is literally missing nothing. Literally everything. We bought these brand new as well, both sides. And like I said, both extension pieces. You feel me? This car is missing literally nothing. You know what I'm saying? My dad called me, he gotta wait a second. Brand new mirror. And this car is an 84, so it only has one mirror, which is so hard to me, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, y'all know we just put these on here, brand new, you know what I'm saying? And then here go my exhaust tips, 3 or 5 inch, honestly I don't know, and I don't know how long they are, you feel me? But another extension piece. We replaced this tail light lens. This is a new one. Then the trunk badge as well is gold. This one isn't new, but wasn't nothing messed up with this one, so I didn't replace this one. And then this piece, when I got the car, it was missing. So if y'all could tell, it's kind of two different. This one don't have a quick hold on it, so I had to get this off eBay because I couldn't find none brand new. And then, like I say, extension piece. And then y'all know we got these weather strippers on all the doors, brand new, brand spanking new. I need something here to like cover it, because I think something's supposed to go here. And I also want to get some new wipers and a new wiper motor. I still got to get that. But yeah, man, we've done a lot with this car. And y'all know, like I said, the motor swap is coming. And this is what the car looks like in one frame with the 26-inch wheels. We tuck it in the back. And we still got room. I'm pretty sure I can fit 28s. And if I go like a really skinny tire, I should be able to squeeze them on, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, this is the car in one frame, and I will be driving it today. Yeah, man, like I said, we finna get the grill done. We finna get a new one, and the motor swap is finna happen, which I am so excited about. And yeah, I got music in the trunk 212s, but I'm definitely upgrading the 215. It's just I've been focused on getting my colors right, and then now this motor swap came, so I gotta wait on that too. So yeah, a lot of stuff I be wanting to do, it keeps getting pushed back because I keep adding and adding, you know what I'm saying? So the music getting pushed back, the custom set of 28s pushed back. If I can't fit 8s, then a custom set of 26s is being pushed back. Paint being pushed back, you know what I'm saying? All because I keep adding stuff. But it's when the stuff presents itself to me, I don't want to turn it down, you feel me? That built motor was presented to me, and it was a perfect price, great price, outstanding price. I needed to get it, you feel me? And now I got an extra motor. If I get another car, this motor it'll be the extra motor I can throw into it, you feel me? I just got to get a different transmission. But yeah, man, we done a lot. I forgot to show y'all too. If y'all see, ain't no hole for no mirror on this side, passenger front door, y'all can see no mirror, which is, I love that look, you feel me? Just one mirror look. And if we look through the outside, y'all can see my brand new dash overlay what we got, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I'm excited, man. I'm so excited. So much stuff we finna be doing with this car. Still a lot, but I'm excited to actually get it done and then really go to car shows, old school shows. We have one old school show a year in the city I live in, just one. And it ain't with like old schools with wheels and stuff. It's more so restoration projects. And y'all know I'm not really doing a restoration project. Yeah, I'm restoring a little bit, but it's also customization, you know, motor swap, wheels, lifted a little bit, and it's gonna be painted. You feel me? More so of a customization, more or less, I can say. Yeah, man, y'all leave me y'all opinions in the comments, what y'all think about the box Chevy, everything we've done. We've done a lot. You feel me? Y'all just, if y'all want to know exactly everything I've done, click on my channel right now, click on playlist, and go to the playlist called car content. Scroll all the way to the top, and y'all really see how much comfortable I got behind the camera, you know what I'm saying? So scroll all the way to the top to my first box Chevy video when I first picked this car back up from the shop. And that's where the journey started. And we just kept building and building, adding and adding, and all that, you know? So y'all gotta go through it and check everything out. We also put new trims on all the wheel well trims. We redid all them as well. I forgot to say that. But yeah, man. And I still gotta hammer that middle piece down just a little bit so I can put me some caps on there, but I also gotta order some. Yeah, some Versace wheels, 26-inch, both straight on the car. They not perfect, but they definitely look good for now until I'm able to get me, I want to get a custom set of brushed wheels. I don't want no, and then I can later on paint match them if I want to. But yeah, man, I will catch y'all in a second for the outro. Y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments what y'all think about my box Chevy. Go ahead and shut my hood back down. There we go. So yeah, like I said, I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. And stay tuned for the next video when we do our last drive in it. Alright, y'all, so you feel me? Y'all let me know what y'all think about my box, you know? I've done a lot to it, customized a lot of stuff, added a lot of stuff, and I'm thinking it's coming out really good, you feel me? And it's definitely beating my standards. If y'all did not know, if y'all are new, this car is my dream car. I keep flying. This is my dream old school car. I've loved these box Chevys since I was a little kid, you know? And my pops had a couple of them, but he got rid of all of his except for one, and that one he kept was my favorite out of all of them anyways, and I'm glad he kept that one. And you feel me? I don't know, man. It's just I love these box Chevys, bro, so much, and being able to own one and do my own thing to it, put my own little twist to it, it's a blessing, you feel me? So like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about my box in the comment section down below, and y'all just stay tuned for the next video. We do our last drive with this stock 350 in here, you know, not this car stock 350, but a stock 350, you know, wasn't nothing done to this motor. So y'all just stay tuned. Like I said, next video we're gonna do my final drive in it. But yeah, man, other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this videos, keep growing and elevating together. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.